run without gas. It's the same thing with living creatures. All living creatures need to get fuel, and there are two ways to get fuel. Make either from sunlight, but only plants can do that. The other way to get fuel is to eat. Food is our fuel. Getting something in your mouth is only half the battle. The other half is breaking up the chemicals of the food you swallow into something your body can use. This process is called digestion. My name is Andrew Mappis, and today I'm going to tell you about the digestive system. The digestive system, from your mouth to out the body, is 30 feet long. Let's look at the basics of the digestive system. Let's pretend you eat one of my favorite foods, pizza. Digestion doesn't start when you swallow. It actually starts when you take a bite of pizza and your teeth start grinding it. Your mouth makes 1/2 a quart of saliva each day. After you swallow, food travels down the esophagus down to the stomach. The stomach turns the pizza down to tiny bits, then heads to the small intestines. The small intestines takes all the good stuff from the pizza, then heads to the large intestines, and any waste exits the body. That is the digestive system in a nutshell. Now we'll take a closer look at the more important organs. The esophagus. After you swallow, food travels down the esophagus. There is no free fall. It is actually squeezed along like toothpaste is squeezed through a toothpaste tube. I can even eat a cracker upside down. Even though I was upside down, the esophagus muscles squeeze the food down to the stomach. The stomach. Once the food gets to the stomach, it is churned in acid to break it down just like this. I'm going to use some of our saliva water and put some into our bread and baggie. A little bit more. And this is what the stomach will do to your food. And this is what the stomach will look like. Mucus lining protects the stomach. If there is a break in the lining, in a couple of hours the stomach will have eaten a hole in itself. The intestines. Next is the small intestines, where the liquid food now called chyme is squeezed through. Villi, finger-like things, absorb the main particles into our bloodstream. And any non-useful parts of the food now move to the waste section called the large intestines. Water is absorbed there, and any waste exits the body. The intestines are in this part of your body, but they are this long, about 15 feet. The average person eats 3 pounds of food each day, or 1,095 pounds of groceries each year. That's a lot of digesting. Thank goodness we have the digestive system to turn all this food into fuel for our bodies. Thank you.